look at the circuit. We have the power source representing our EMF, the power source cell, this is a cell, and it supplies a current of 4 amperes. So look at the direction of the current, 4 amperes, and it comes to this junction and splits at this point. The current to split at this point, you have resistor 3 and resistor 6 ohms. So basically, these resistors are in parallel. They are not side by side. They're like in parallel. All right, so we're told to calculate the EMF of the cell in the above circuit if its internal resistance is negligible. Calculate the EMF of the cell. So this is our cell. All right, so calculate the EMF or a voltage as the case may be, right? So this is past question of JAMB 2009. So you have to know that EMF is like follows your Ohm's law. So it's going to be V equals to IR. So we need to calculate the resistance, total resistance. Now they are in series, they're in parallel. So our total resistance is going to be, so we have, since they are just two, it's just going to be products all over their sum for two resistors. All right, so it's going to be 18 over 9. That's 2. So I'm going to get the EMF or the voltage as current and resistance according to Ohm's law. By Ohm's law, so we'll say V is equals to current. Now the current is given as 4 amperes. All right, I'm going to say 4 times 2. By the way, this is ohms. Take note. And so basically, my voltage or EMF is 8 volts. It's as simple as that. So the key is to know that these resistors are in series, because at this point, the current will split. All right. So resistors in parallel, in parallel will split the current. All right. And so we have to get the effective resistance by using the correct formula. Now, because they are two resistors, I can just use their product over their sum. All right, remember total resistance. If you want to do it normally, it could be 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. And at the end of the day, I'm basically saying LCM of R1, R2. So basically you're saying R1 divided to that, you're going to get R2 plus R1. And then so 1 over R2. So you invert that and get it. So that's why I say product over sum. All right. So 8 volts, the answer.